Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to replace the charging port on an iPhone 6. I have bought this flex cable which has the charging port on it, so I will change this whole flex cable. Now the screws that are inside the iPhone, I recommend you to put them in a way that you know where they are from, because their size are not the same and you don't want to mess them up because you can break the motherboard. So try to put them somehow that you know their order when you put them back. I will show you how I do it. I'm not using anything besides the table. So what I do, I put them exactly in the order that they come inside the iPhone, and with the metal plate somehow near them, so I know they get there inside. You can use the same method or whatever method you have, just don't put them in the wrong hole. So this should be the charging flex cable. Now what I will do, I will just bend this a bit like this, 180 degrees, because I want to try the new one before replacing it to see if it's working. So I will have to connect the LCD again. So I will connect the battery as well, and now I will take the USB cable and connect it, of course, in the new charging port, like that. So as you can see, it is charging. Let's see if you can see that. So now that we know the charging port is alright, we will just shut down the phone and replace it. So that are about all the screws. Now we have here the antenna connector. Just disconnect that from the motherboard, and now we should be able to lift up this speaker, and we have now access to the flex cable, as you can see. Oh, I think I will need to take this out as well, because it has the contacts right here which are under this piece. Yep, I was right. So once you take it out, I recommend you to clean a bit the case. So I will use this brush to clean it a bit. So it's looking way much better now. Now I will check to see if I got all the pieces on my new flex cable, and I already see here something that I don't have, which is this part that comes on the microphone. So I will take it off from the old one and put it on the new one. It is having a certain place. Here we have a hole, and it's going to look like this. So let's see if we still need to take something from the old flex cable, and I think not. It's looking pretty the same. So there is one more part here which I sincerely don't know where it goes, but we will see. So for now I'll take all the stickers away from the new flex cable. And put it on its place right here. So let's start to put all together again. That's one piece. So I think I know where this piece goes. It goes here on the other side of the microphone, and it has this screw hole and one more hole on the right side. So this is the place where it goes 100%, and that's only a plastic, so this screw can do its job, because you see it's a very long one, and if they had no plastic you couldn't get to the screw hole underneath. So that's where that plastic should go. So let's continue now with the screws. Now here comes this metal plate before screwing the two screws here. And now we should be able to put the speaker back like this, and we will have to connect the antenna. Don't mess with the antenna. I will connect it at the end of the job, because it's coming the last one. So we have it almost all together again. I will now connect the antenna here. This is very hard to do because it is very little. Oh shit. As I see it, the cable is too short. So I will take the speaker out again and see why is the antenna so short. I mean the antenna cable. I hope it is not a fabric issue, because if it is, I will have to solder the antenna cable from the old one, and I don't want to do that. So I will connect the antenna right now, and after that put the speaker on its position if I can without damaging the antenna cable. So I have to go somehow like this. I think this won't work. So let's compare the length of the antennas. I mean, of the antenna cables. You can see that the new antenna is a little bit too small. That's not good at all, you know. So what should I do? I don't want to solder the new antenna cable, because I just don't want to. It's not a heavy thing to do, but it would be way much better if I could use this one, and I can't. So I will take this old antenna cable and solder it on the new charging flex and then get back. So I'm back. I have soldered the old antenna cable and I have also connected it. So I will now put the speaker back. I forgot to put this metal piece back from the speaker which is holding the antenna. I mean this one. It's not a big deal, but I will put it back. Why not? So the antenna comes up and inside that hole, like that. So I will now connect the flex cable to the motherboard. And now let's put the LCD assembly back. Last thing you want to do, connect the battery back. And let's put the metal piece back as well. So now we can close the iPhone. Put the two bottom screws back and we're done. And now I will just test it one more time. So it's working. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.